Hi, my name is Ruth Funico. I'm an undergrad researcher working on the OAIC project, and today I'm going to be walking you through the OAIC installation process. So firstly, we're going to clone the OAIC repository from GitHub using this command. So we're going to copy that and we're going to paste it here. So we're going to run that. So that's good. And we're going to update the OAIC submodules in Git using the following command. So I'm going to go to the OAIC directory and update the submodules. So we're gonna do that. So that should clone it. While that's cloning, we're gonna go to the near real-time ORAN installation. Wait, that's good. So just a quick prerequisite before installing the ORAN near real-time rig. We have to use an Ubuntu operating system of 20.04 LTS, and the CPU has to be 2 to 4 vCPUs, and the RAM has to be 6 to 16 gigabytes, and the storage has to be about 20 to 160 gigabytes. So that is it. So we're gonna install the Kubernetes and Docker and Helm clusters. So we're gonna do this command. So we're gonna go to this file in the OAIC repository, or directory rather. So we're there. Then we're gonna run this script file. This is gonna help us generate the Kubernetes stack install script. So we're gonna run this script file and good. Then so this script is gonna install Kubernetes, Docker, and Helm. So that's what we're gonna run now. So this is gonna take a while. This is also gonna install some pods, which will help with cluster creation and some internet working between services. So as you can see, it's installing the pods. They installed like 2 pods now, so it's running about 6 others. So that's good to go. So we have to check if all the pods are newly installed, and they have to be in the running state. So we're going to use this command to get all the pods, and there should be a total of 9 pods running to make sure we're on the right track. So as we can see, we have all 9 pods running, so which is good. So next we're gonna set up the influx DB. So this is a one-time thing. So first of all, we have to check if the RIC infra namespace exists, just to be sure, because you don't want to install it twice using this command. So it doesn't exist, as you can see. So we're gonna create it, right? We're gonna create that namespace. So this has created the RIC infra namespace. So then we're gonna install the NFS common package for Kubernetes through Helm in the RIC infra namespace. So we're gonna use these commands to install them. So that's good. So to be sure, so when the RIC platform is undeployed, the RIC infra namespace will also be removed. So you have to run this setup procedure again when you're deploying the RIC, just to know that. Then next we're gonna build the modified E2 Docker image, and we're gonna create one using this command. So we're good to go. Then we're gonna go to this directory using the C. So now we're here. We're going to go to this directory, the RIC E2 termination directory. Then we're gonna build the Docker file using this command. So this is basically packaging the code in this repository as a Docker container. So that's what we're basically doing. This is gonna take a while to do. So that's done successfully. So now we're gonna push the Docker using this command. So we're done with that. So we're gonna go back to the OAIC repository, or directory rather. And now it's time to deploy the near real-time RIC. So we're gonna go to this directory and we're gonna use this command to do that. So this command that we just used deploys the near real-time RIC according to the recipe stored in the weak deployment directory. So it's very important, the recipe is very important for near real-time RIC deployment. So this is gonna take a while. So that's done. We're done. So we're done with deploying the near real-time RIC So the next step will be installing SRS RAN, but that will depend on the X app, either KPI-Mon X app or Next RAN X app. So that so the SRS RAN we're gonna install depends on the X app we're gonna use. So we're not gonna do that, and that will be in another video. So thank you all for watching this demo.